Ayurveda is the science of longevity and the oldest science medicine on earth. Dr. Tiffanae Dawn is an intuitive practitioner of Ayurvedic medicine and a single parent who has excelled against all odds in achieving a decade of degrees. As a family practitioner, Dr. Tiffanae Dawn leads individuals on an exclusive lifestyle plan for guidance on how to heal themselves. Contact Dr. Tiffanae Dawn and learn to restore your vitality while creating powerful shifts and greater self-love. Traveling the world has led Dr. Tiffanae Dawn onto a broad spectrum of healing modalities. Imagine an approach to wellness that prevents and reverses illness and aging. In her own health journey, Dr. Tiffanae Dawn found relief with the practical and effective practice of Ayurveda. Contact her now and learn the ability to transcend your current levels of limitation and create new patterns for deeper harmony. From custom-tailored herbal formulas, disease prevention measures to immune support, Dr. Tiffanae Dawn will help you experience deep insights and shifts in consciousness. Learn more by contacting Dr. Tiffanae Dawn today and change your life.